Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can install and set up OpenClaw on Linux, completely step by step as a beginner. So let's get started. Now the first thing we need to do is decide on which device we want to install OpenClaw. I would strongly suggest not downloading it on your main PC or the main device that you're using, because anything that you would be able to do on that PC, it would be able to do, which is extremely risky if you have any important data or personal info on it. So if you have a spare laptop or a PC with Linux that you can use, that's great. But the safest and the most affordable way, which I will be also using, is installing it on a cheap Linux VPS, which is essentially just a fresh virtual PC that we will be using to run OpenClaw. That way I'm not risking any of my personal information, and the VPS runs 24/7, so I will have full access to the bot whenever I want. Now the VPS provider that I will be using is Hostinger, because it's the most affordable and the easiest one to set up. So this will also be a budget guide. Now if you would also like to use Hostinger, I will leave a link in the description below that will give you extra 20% off on top of this discount right here. So that link will lead you to this page right here, and here I will choose this KVM2 plan because it has 8 GB of RAM and 100 GB of disk space. Now if you plan on running your OpenClaw with a local LLM, I would suggest this plan, which has 16 GB of RAM, but I will be using Google Gemini API, so I will just choose this one with 8 GB. So here you would just need to configure your virtual PC or your VPS. Now the best location will be automatically selected with the lowest latency, so I will just leave it at Germany, and then under the plain OS I will click on plain OS and select Ubuntu Linux as my operating system. So I will just confirm the latest version, and that is your VPS configured. From there you can select the activity period of your VPS, so I will leave it at 12 months, and then just go ahead and press continue and set up your password. So that's how simple it is to set up a VPS. Also, if the discount isn't automatically applied, you can just input the promo code HOW220 and that will give you the same 20% discount. So once you set up your password, I'll meet you on the next step where we can actually start the setup process for OpenClawbot. So once you have your VPS set up, this will be your VPS dashboard, and here let's go ahead and access our Linux terminal by clicking on terminal right here. So once you're in your terminal, you can go to the OpenClaw page to get the installation command. From here, just go ahead and scroll down until you can see the quick start menu, and here, because we're on Linux, just go ahead and click change right here and select macOS/Linux. That will give you the specific Linux command that you can execute in your terminal to install OpenClaw on your Linux device. So let's go back to our terminal, and here I will just paste the command with Ctrl+Shift+V, and then just go ahead and press enter to execute it. Now this initiated the OpenClaw installer, so just go ahead and wait a few minutes until the install finishes, and then we'll be in the install wizard where we can select the specific settings that we want our OpenClaw bot to have. And there we go. After about 3 minutes the installation was complete and we got in our installation wizard. So the installation wizard is just essentially a menu through which you would need to go and configure your OpenClaw bot. Here you wouldn't be able to use your mouse, but you can just use your keyboard and then just go ahead and select yes by pressing enter. Then select the quick start mode, that's the quickest one. And here is where you would need to select essentially the brain of your OpenClaw bot. So if you have a ChatGPT subscription, you can select OpenAI, but at the moment the best model with the most personality and use cases is the Anthropic Claude model. But as this is a budget guide, I will go the Google route because Google Gemini gives you some free API credits each day. So I will select Google by just pressing enter, and then I will select Google Gemini API key and just go ahead and enter my key right here. So if you also decided to go with the Google Gemini, you would just need to search in your search bar for Google AI Studio and just go to the API key section. So this is how the page looks like. Now just go ahead and click create API key and create a new key. I will just copy my previous key that I previously set up and then go back to our terminal. Here just go ahead and paste over that API key and then press enter. Now you would need to select either the Flash 1.5 or Flash 2.0. Those are the only two models that currently have the free credit support. So I'll select the 1.5 because it uses the credits more efficiently. And here's where you would need to set up the chat app through which you will communicate with your OpenClaw bot or ClawdBot. So I would suggest using Telegram for this because it's easiest one to set up, but I also made a guide on how you can set it up with Discord, so if you want to watch that, I'll link it in the upper right corner, or you can just check out the channel and find it there. So I'll just select Telegram by pressing enter again, and here is a quick guide on what you would need to do in Telegram to connect everything. So let's go ahead and quickly do so. Now, once you have your Telegram account opened, this will work both on Telegram PC and Telegram mobile. The process is completely the same. You would need to find the botfather user. So just go ahead and search botfather right here. Just copy paste this, and then you will be able to see this user right here. So just go ahead and select botfather, and then just go ahead and press start right here, and he will give you this default message. So right here, once you see this message from him, just go ahead and click on the new bot option to create a new Telegram bot. Then you would just need to name your bot. So let's say tutorial some numbers randomly. So this is just a display name. You would be able to configure a username right now. So I will just paste over its display name and then just add _bot for it to actually work. Now keep in mind the username would need to be a unique username so you don't run into any issues. So let's go ahead and press enter and check if this username is available. So the username was available and the bot was just created. If you get an error right here, you just need to create another username. So once we have our bot created, we would need to use this token right here to connect it with OpenClaw. So just click on it to copy it and then go back to your terminal and just paste it over right here. From there, let's go ahead and press enter to confirm it. And now the Telegram is set up with our OpenClaw. Now that's that part done, and next up we would need to configure some skills. So this is the whole point of OpenClawbot. It has skills that you can configure and then he can do things for you. So to configure skills, you would just need to select yes, then go ahead and install Homebrew by again confirming yes, and here select npm. Now here is the skill tree or the skills that you can install on your OpenClawbot. So here just go ahead and use up and down arrows and select skills by pressing space. You can also deselect skills by just hovering over it and then pressing space on them. So I'll just, for example, select, let's say Obsidian, but you can take your time and select whichever one of these work for you, and then I will press enter to confirm my choices. Next up, I will just skip these because we can configure it through the chat app. And here you can also press skip this for now by again selecting it with space and confirming it with enter. Then I already have a gateway service installed, but for you, you will have a yes and no option, so you can just install a gateway service. For this, I will just skip it because I already installed it. And there we go. Now we just created our OpenClawbot, and you can hatch it in your terminal, or you can just skip this and do it later. So right now I'll just skip this and do it later, and you should be able to see the onboarding complete option. You can also install shell, so I will just confirm this. And there we go. Now if you go to your Telegram and just click on this link right here, that should lead you to your bot where you can start the conversation. But essentially guys, that's how you can set up OpenClawbot or Calwdbot on Linux completely step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.